Today we are at the site where new electroplating lines are being assembled. In total, 14 new electroplating lines will be implemented as part of this project, with both manual and hoist-assisted operation. These lines incorporate more than 10 different technological processes such as chrome plating, nickel plating, cadmium plating, oxidizing, and many others. Due to the customer's limited floor space, our specialists have optimized the equipment configuration. This optimization allowed us to fit the required amount of equipment into the customer's tight space while maintaining all necessary technological processes. This includes surface prep optimization, rinsing scheme optimization, and the integration of ventilation systems. To set up a modern electroplating section, our company completed full pre-project production planning. We achieved optimal equipment layout and developed a system of underfloor channels for laying the necessary utilities and designated areas for water treatment equipment, ventilation units, electrical equipment, and other auxiliary systems. Calculations for required energy resources were made: water, compressed air, and electricity. To reduce the financial burden on the customer, 3 implementation stages were planned for this project. The first stage involves the implementation of the first 6 electroplating lines. They've already been manufactured and are on site, where assembly is currently taking place. The second stage involves 4 new electroplating lines. They are currently in the equipment design and manufacturing phase. The third phase involves the remaining 4 lines and local closed-cycle treatment facilities. Organizing the sequence of equipment commissioning allows for a smooth launch of electroplating production, followed by an expansion of the range of technological processes. At this moment, the assembly of the first 6 lines is underway. Once assembly and commissioning are complete, we'll be ready to show the finished project